You can make your decision about what you want to do.
Your Honor, I respect everything that you say. At the same time, I do not wish to waste anybody's time. And from my point of view, I'm willing to proceed. I know exactly why I'm in jail. I know what I've done. I know what I didn't do.
Well, you just told me a little while ago, Mr. Enright, you didn't know. And now you're telling me you know. That leads me to believe that I may have to order a competency on you. I don't want to do that. Okay? Mr. Ehrenreich, I'm going to implore you to speak with an attorney first, because you're telling me one thing, then you're telling me something else. And that may lead me down a path that I don't know that you want to go to or go down.
It says the connection is unstable. I'm not exactly sure, Mr. Gilchrist.
Still hear you.
Okay. Your Honor, can you hear me?
I can hear you.
Oh, all right. It just displayed the connection is unstable. I just want to be very clear on what I said in order to avoid any confusions or misunderstandings. I know wholeheartedly why I'm in jail. I know what I've done. I'm willing to hold myself accountable. I'm willing to hold myself accountable for what I've done. The thing I do not understand, and that's what I meant when I communicated that, I do not understand how what I've done is got to a point where I feel felony is being...
Mr. Ehrenreich, that's the problem. That's the problem. You need somebody to explain what, if you're saying you did something,
yes,
and I don't want you to say what you did. If you said you did something, but you don't understand what the consequences of that are, that's a problem. And so I'm going to get an attorney to you. I'm going to ask you to speak with them so at least they can explain that to you. Then you can make your decision about whether you want them to help you and represent or whether or not you want to do it yourself. But Mr. Ehrenreich, I'm done. That's what I'm going to do. It's up to you now to talk to the attorney so that you have as much information as you want. If you don't want to do that, you might want to tell me now so I can order a competency.
I rather represent myself. I rather not speak to an attorney. I do not feel that competency is needed. However, if Your Honor, if you would like to do that, it is up to you. You're the judge.
Oh, I am. So here's what I'm going to do. I'm going to order a competency or forensic evaluation, given what I've heard from the defendant on the record and what apparently is a confusion on a number of different levels. I'll set that competency hearing for
Tuesday, November 21st.
That'll be set for Tuesday, November 21st.